friends, welcome to the channel. If you have been here before and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If today is your first visit, welcome. Please look throughout our playlists and I'm confident you're going to find something that you will enjoy to watch and find value in. If it is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Today we're going to talk about something that's actually not a do-it-yourself project, but a project that you should not do yourself. We had a failure here in our torsion spring in our garage door, and this you should not attempt by yourself. It is a very high tension spring. It is very dangerous to try and repair yourself. This is something you need to have a professional come and work on.
So you can see the other side is still intact, but this one has broken.
Alright friends, so we called the expert to work on our tension spring. Again, I advise strongly against you trying to do this repair as do-it-yourselfers. This spring's under very high tension and could be very dangerous, if not lethal, if something goes wrong. Here the technician uses a special tool to measure the size of the coils and the distance between them, so he can correctly choose the coil to replace. Again, here he measures the length of the coil. He first measures the small broken part and then the second part. Again, that will assist him in picking the correct part. The way these are designed, he has to remove both coils even though he's only replacing one, and here he is getting ready to do just that, and he will start on the right side of the garage door because he has to move the whole apparatus to the right. And as you can see, he uses a specialized equipment, a specialized rod that securely attaches to the end of each of the springs. And then using a standard ratchet, he loosens a bolt that holds the spring tight to the desired tension. This seems easy, but it is very easy to make a mistake and lose control of the spring. And it is my understanding that these tools are not tools that you can buy in the market, but I cannot be 100% sure of that. It's a lot of walking back and forward.
Oh yeah.
Removing the old
Up and down.
spring is the beginning of the process, and of course, because it goes in two pieces, he has to remove both of them, starting with the one to the most left and then detaching the one to the right. So John, where are there marks on the column? On the pipe?
Where at?
Like underneath the brake. You see, there are all these marks.
That's from the spring.
Okay. Doesn't want to play well, huh?
Nope.
So you want me to take that for you?
So I come down and slide that.
Sorry.
You go ahead and just lay him down. Alright, we'll get the new one.
Okay. Was that the right size? The right tension?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, so one of the things is that you need to have the correct spring. So again, even though I advise against using it yourself, the wrong spring will fail prematurely or will not allow the door to operate correctly. Was I half right about that?
Yep.
And since you're looking at a professional installer doing the job, I'm sure many of you say, oh, that's nothing, I can do that. But again, this man has done it hundreds, if not thousands of times, so don't be fooled in false security. This can be a very dangerous thing. Here you can see in close up the process that he is using to put tension back to the spring, and it is important that this is correctly tensioned, otherwise the door will not operate correctly.
Depends how tall the door is.
We seem to have experienced a little bit of camera issues going in and out of focus, and we do apologize for that.
supposed to work.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Go ahead and open it back up, that way I can get the stuff out.
Alright friends, as you can see our door now operates normally. You want to turn? Again, again, this is a repair I do not recommend to the do-it-yourselfer. People have been known to be severely injured or even killed trying to attempt this. If you did enjoy this episode, please smash that like button. If you did enjoy this episode, please smash that like button. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Please share, like, subscribe, and let us know what you would like to see in our channel. From Elpida and the Garage Wizard, we hope you found this episode of great value, and we are going to see you on the weekend.